You okay? Oh my god. You threw up all that. That's disgusting.
I'm good.
You good?
I think so.
You crying?
Fucking hurts my throat.
It's gonna hurt your throat for like a couple of days, then it's gonna go away.
No.
Oh, by tomorrow it's gonna be good. What's wrong with it?
That's some of it.
Yeah, see it. Hey, it's still in chunks.
I think I'm good.
You good?
I think I threw it up.
Dude, it took me 2 days to throw all of it back up. Was that funny? Kinda.
Raisa didn't even give me no paper towel. I have my nose running. What the heck?